And I need you all to repeat after me, all right? I solemnly pledge myself to God.
Solemnly pledge myself to God.
In the presence of this assembly.
In the presence of this assembly.
To pass my life in purity.
To pass my life in purity.
And to practice my profession faithfully.
And to practice my profession faithfully.
I will do in all my power.
I will do in all my power.
And to maintain and elevate. The standards of my profession.
The standards of my profession.
I will hold in confidence.
I will hold in confidence.
All personal matters.
All personal matters.
Committed in my keeping.
Committed in my keeping.
With loyalty, I will endeavor.
With loyalty, I will endeavor.
To aid all my patients.
To aid all my patients.
And to devote myself.
And to devote myself.
To the welfare of those.
To the welfare of those.
Committed to my care.
Committed to